How to fix WhatsApp verification code not received. Hello guys and welcome back to this video. On this video I'm gonna show you how to fix the verification code in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do is very simple. Just open the settings on your phone and then scroll down, go to the apps manager, go to apps. Now on this page you will find all the apps that you have downloaded on your phone. Just scroll until you find WhatsApp and then go and click on it like this. Now all what you have to do on this page is click on the force stop option and then go down to the notifications management and make sure to enable all the notifications, especially this one. It's called the message notifications. Click on it, make sure to enable all those options. Now go back. That's the first way. The second way, if this didn't work for you, then you will have to uninstall WhatsApp and reinstall it again. That's it guys, don't forget to like, subscribe.